that was a quick cold start of the V8 of our Aston Martin Vantage. As you can see on the gauge cluster there, 23,837 miles as of this video. You can see the temperature gauge there as we sit here idling. No warning lights of any kind. Let me just put the brake off, and then we have the seatbelt light there. We have the navigation system, and we showed you a bunch of the other functions and everything that you will need to operate on this 2007 Aston Martin Vantage. Everything we've tested so far has been in perfect working order. Car looks and drives great. So if you have any additional questions, feel free to drop us a comment. Thanks for watching.